If you've ever had a video that wouldn't play on your device, converting it to MP4 is the simplest fix. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to convert any video into a perfect MP4 using Handbrake, a free, powerful, and easy to use tool that works on both Windows and Mac. Start by opening Handbrake. If you don't already have it, download it for free from the official Handbrake website and install it. Once launched, you'll see a clean and simple interface designed for straightforward video conversion. Now, add your video file. You can click the open source button at the top left or just drag and drop your file directly into Handbrake. Once the video loads, go to the Summary tab. Here, select MP4 as the container format. This step is key because MP4 is the most widely supported format, making your video compatible with nearly every device and platform. Next, head over to the Video tab. Under Video Codec, choose H.264x264. This codec offers excellent video quality while keeping your file size manageable. If your computer supports it and you want slightly better compression, you can also try H.265, but H.264 works best for most users. You can leave most other settings as they are or adjust them to your needs. The constant quality slider controls the balance between size and clarity. Values around 20 usually give great results. Make sure the frame rate matches the original video to avoid playback issues. Next, click on the Audio tab. Choose AAC as your audio codec for clear, high-quality sound. You can also adjust bitrate or channels, but the default settings usually work fine for most conversions. If you prefer an easier setup, use one of Handbrake's presets located on the right side of the window. For example, Fast 1080p 30 is a great all-purpose preset that maintains full HD quality with fast processing. Before converting, click Browse near the bottom to choose where you want to save your finished MP4. Select a folder and give your file a name you'll recognize. When everything is ready, click Start Encode at the top. Handbrake will begin converting your video to MP4. The time it takes depends on your computer and video size, but it usually finishes quickly. Once done, open the new file and check the result. You'll now have a smooth, high-quality MP4 video that plays on almost any device or platform without compatibility issues. And that's it. You've successfully converted your file into a perfect MP4 using Handbrake. It's simple, fast, and completely free. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more quick guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and happy converting!